Okay, guys, I'm back with another reading lesson in our new unit, Meeting Characters and Learning Lessons. Um, this is a short little lesson, but it's very important. As you read, and especially when you're reading longer and longer books, it's important to keep up with the story, and especially the setting, where and when the story takes place, because the places and the times might change, and they might change a lot. So it's important to pay attention to where and when the story is happening. You can use the pictures and words to keep track of where and when the story is happening. So last time I took a sneak peek of this book, Iris and Walter and the Field Trip, and I figured out from the sneak peek that I would go to the aquarium and I would take a bus to get there, because I saw the bus on the first page. But I want to make sure that I keep track of exactly what is happening in each part of the story and where it's taking place. So if I look on page 1 of the story, page 1 is called The Aquarium, or chapter 1, excuse me. So it says, one day Iris's teacher, Miss Cherry, had an exciting announcement. This Friday, we're going on a field trip to the aquarium. The aquarium, said Iris's best friend, Walter. Oh, boy. So do you see how that in this part of the story, on page 1, where are they? They're in the classroom. When is this happening? Well, they're in school, in the classroom, so usually we go to school during the day, so it's the daytime. Now, if I go to the next page, I see that they're still in the classroom. They're still in the classroom with their teacher, Miss Cherry. But if I go to the next page, now the setting has changed. And they're not in the classroom anymore. They're at Iris's house. And it says that night, so the words give you a clue. It says that night Walter had supper at Iris's house. Our class is going on a field trip, Rosie, said Iris. Up, said Baby Rose. Where are you going? Asked Iris's father. We're going to the aquarium, said Iris. On the bus, said Walter. So now the where and when of the story has changed. They were in the classroom during the day with Miss Cherry. Now they're at Iris's house at night. And there's little clues in the story. There's clues in the picture. You can see the settings change, but also in the words it says at night. And it tells you where they were, at Iris's house. So whenever you're reading, it's important to keep up with the story, which means you have to really focus and pay attention and use the pictures and words to keep track of where and when each part of the story is taking place. Okay, so think about that when you're reading today, and I'll see you next time.